I am super excited to share about my trip to Berchtesgaden in Königsee Lake, located in the Berchtesgaden National Park. Is one of the most spectacular and beautiful lakes not only in the state of Bavaria but in the whole Germany. With its emerald green color and nestled at the foot of the imposing eastern wall of Mount Watzmann, is one of nature's true masterpieces. Visiting Königsee is one of the best day trips from Munich. You will need to change from another train in Freilassing heading to Berchtesgaden. Upon arrival at the train station, you cannot imagine how diverse Berchtesgaden and its surrounding area. The place is totally scenic as far as the eye can see. Then in Berchtesgaden, you need to change for bus 841 to Schönau am Königsee, and this ride will take only 10 minutes. I am totally fell in love with this place at the moment I saw it. Ships start at Seelande in Schönau am Königsee. A return trip to St. Bartholomew is 22 euros per person and take around 35 minutes one way to St. Bartholomew. With so much amazement before I left the port, I enjoyed a moment to watch and play with the little ducklings in the water. Being a first-timer in a boat trip, I am so astounded at the electric feet of boats as they glided through the water so silently. Gliding away from the boat piers, you are starting a journey across one of Germany's deepest, purest, and most picturesque lakes. During this trip, I have realized that the greatest luxury in these fast-paced times is silence. As soon as you board one of the attractive electric passenger boats, all the noise, hassle, and bustle is left behind. As our boat continued to glide, the spectacular mountain range was revealed. Throughout the gliding, my heart skipped a beat because the scenery is really beautiful, with the majestic views of the Watzmann Mountains, cascading waterfalls, and evergreen forest. I surrendered to the power of nature. One of the highlights of the trip is the Echo of Königsee at the Echo Van Cliff. Shortly after the driver suddenly stopped the boat, one cabin crew walked and grabbed a flugelhorn and played a music towards the mountains for a few minutes to lure out the world-famous Königsee echo from the steep rock face. The sound echoed back to us in a different tone. It was truly one-of-a-kind experience, a magical moment, and it gave me goosebumps. Already from the boat, you'll see the St. Bartholomew Church. As you get closer to the place, the feeling of excitement increases. Once you disembark, you can take a nice walk around the church and along the lake. It was a very lucky day because the place organized a small feast where there is a marching band, and everywhere the sound of firing guns can be heard. I continue my quick tour to the pilgrimage church. This was founded by the Prince Provost of Berchtesgaden in 1134. The Chapel of St. Bartholomew is one of the most remote and most photographed chapels in Germany. The prince built and dedicated the chapel to St. Bartholomew, the patron saint of alpine farmers and milkmaids. Since the Romantic period, the world-famous pilgrimage church set against the Watzmann range has been a source of inspiration for numerous landscape painters. As you make your way along the lakeside path, you will notice the huge extension of the chapel. Believe it or not, this extension was actually a hunting lodge also built by the Prince Provosts. There are charming beer gardens, restaurants that serve traditional Bavarian foods, plenty of bathrooms, and outstanding mountain peaks. The place looks even more beautiful than the photos I have seen in internet. For a moment, I thought I was in Hallstatt in Austria, but then it's just in Germany. Everywhere I looked, everything is clean and the nature is quiet and well preserved. Just looking at the waters is really relaxing, and how I wished that all lakes would be so clean like this. The water in Königsee has drinking water quality. You will find a faucet near the port. If you wish to taste the drinking water of the place, it is available for free. All you need to do is to bring a water container and fill it in. Before I end this video, I would like to express my special thanks to my friend Lawrence for allowing me to stay at his humble home in Munich. Since the area around Lake Königsee is a nature reserve, there are many things that are not permitted, such as flying a drone, playing loud music, or polluting the environment. What is allowed, however, is swimming in the lake. So if you want to discover the impressive natural scenery around Bavaria's most famous mountain lake, pack your bags and get ready to delve into the myriad of beautiful facts and amazing experience with nature. These spectacles of nature have no admission fee. They are yours to enjoy in whatever way you choose. I hope that this video will help you appreciate Königsee even more. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, tschüss!
Mm-hmm.